Hey guys, just wanted to make this video on parallel parking. I know on the driving test most people will fear the dreaded parallel park. Actually, there's not much to worry about, so don't worry. I'm just going to walk you through some steps on how to remember how to do this manoeuvre. Okay, so first things first, you want to pull up alongside the target vehicle, imagining you're parking your car next to someone else's car, like in a car park. Okay, so you've got two bays, just imagine you're parking in the bay next to the one on your left. So, on the approach, don't forget to check your middle mirror and your left mirror. If you see someone who might benefit, don't forget to signal left, and then you pull up. Now, you want to pull up just so you're slightly further forwards than their vehicle. Once you've got there, stop the car, maybe put the handbrake on, depends if you are struggling to control it, but you know, don't necessarily need the handbrake. Pop it into reverse and then check your surroundings. Once you're happy, you're going to reverse back slowly so the back of their car reaches just inside the backside left window, okay? And when it's there, just stop, check around again and make sure it's safe. And if it's safe, what I want you to do is I want you to steer the steering wheel once to the left. So we're not looking for full lock or half a turn, we're just looking for one full rotation to the left towards the car that you're going in, so that then brings the car around at about an angle of about 40 degrees. So you're going to do the one turn on the steering wheel whilst keeping the car still, so dry steer essentially, and that will bring the car eventually around to about a 40-degree angle. Now if you don't like angles, think of it as 2 o'clock on the clock, or think of it as a nice slice of pizza or a nice slice of cake, as I like to think. Okay, so you've hit the 40-degree angle or the 2 o'clock angle. You're then going to stop the car and you're going to turn the steering wheel back one turn to the right. So now essentially we've got a straight steering wheel but a car at a 40-degree angle. Sorry. Check up and down the road, make sure it's still clear, and if it's clear, what I'd like you to do is reverse back towards the curb. Now as you reverse back towards the curb, you're going to be at an angle. Now my car has got a camera, so on my car I can use the camera and I can give my learners reference points, but if your car doesn't have a camera, what you want to try and do is you want to get your left door mirror, so the passenger door mirror, lined up with the side of the vehicle that you're parallel parking on. So imagine you're shooting an arrow up the side through your door mirror, your passenger door mirror, all the way up the side of the vehicle on the right hand side of the vehicle that you're parallel parking on. Okay, once you've got that lined up, you're now going to do another right turn. So it's just going to be one full turn to the right again. So we're not going to deal with full lock or half turns, just one full turn to keep it simple. And then hopefully if you've got that at the right point, that should pull the front end of the car in and it will push the back end of the car out. Now you're going to need to wait until you're dead straight with the car that you're doing the manoeuvre on, and once you're dead straight, again just stop the car and turn the wheel one turn back to the left. Okay, and that really should be it. It's really simple. Now I know I didn't give you any visuals or any diagrams, but hopefully you can re-watch and pause and rewind and so on and so forth. You want to finish within about 2 car lengths of the vehicle that you're parking on, so your target vehicle, just to be realistic, and you want to be reasonably close to, and you want to be parallel with the curb. Okay, so if you're too far away, you're going to be stuck out, so you might want to steer towards the curb, and if you're too close, you might want to pull forward and readjust things, and that's absolutely fine as well on the driving test. You don't have to do it in one manoeuvre, you can do it in 2 manoeuvres, as long as you're making progress and you're remaining safe and you're looking around essentially. So don't forget, turn left, turn right, turn right, turn left. Nice and simple. If it makes sense, hopefully, you know, you've enjoyed this video, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.